Make it a little easier because it is a lot and very daunting as to what's going on there. So I want to try to make it easier for you for the entire process.
Yes. Here, awesome move. Get him in the front. Like, got it.
Alright, so starting off, and they're all going to start with the chassis right here. So see how there's that red and blue square on there? That's going to match up to that red and blue you see on the activation plates right there. So make sure that red goes into red, and that blue will snap in that blue. Very smooth and easy, just as simple as that. Next, I'm going to go with the grips. So I can start with the grip going on there. Now, get a choice whether you want the grip on the top or bottom. They're very versatile. So do you want this one to go on the top or the bottom? The top. Now, I recommend when you do that, you're going to hold onto the activation plates nice and firm so it doesn't move. A little pressure and a little twist is all it takes for it to stay in place. Now you're going to flip it for that second grip. I would ask which way you want it, but we only have one option left. There we go. Nobody's looking. All right, we're still safe. Good. All right, so we got that there. All right, so now we are going to go with, when it comes to this, I recommend holding straight up, so that way it just sort of settles on there, and you can just sort of twist it on there nice and gently. Easiest way that I found to do it. Next, we're going to flip it for the pommel, which will twist on there. Nice and simple like that. Completing your scrap collage that'll be created in there. Nice and easy. If you have any other questions, we'll definitely help out, but I know my friends inside will give you more details about that. Now, when you're in there, we do recommend the builder in the front and the observer in the back. That way the builder can see everything that's going on. Now, if you take any hall scans or hall videos, we do ask you to take off any external lighting or auto lighting on there, because it's easy to miss one or the other. Any questions out there? Perfect. So it'll just be a few minutes, and my friends will come out here for your appointments. So just go ahead and closer right here, and it'll be all set.
So we're just waiting now. That's crazy. I'm with him.
Welcome.
He just said welcome to the
Hello.
I think they know what these are.
Yeah, definitely. Maybe you guys stand back
Welcome, everyone. I know all this might not seem like much to all of you, but to us, this is everything. Admittedly, you may look around here and see a bunch of old junk. But let me be clear that some of this is new junk. I see you and all my friends. Excellent. You can call me Kembe. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find out there, we bring here. So we're a wandering stormtrooper. I just see worthless clutter. Those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the only way to ensure our future. Now, all of you, have you heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker? Yeah. Well, we hear that there's another, a new Jedi. What's her name?
Ray.
That's right, Gwyneth, Ray. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. Which is why you are all here to build this, a lightsaber. It has been wielded by our greatest of heroes and darkest of enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today you will all feel that connection. So enough talk. Let's begin. We begin with the smallest but perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. It is able to focus the force, to magnify it. Some say that the crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. We begin with blue. Blue has been wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Ahsoka Tano, Qui-Gon Jinn, Master Yoda himself, and of course Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal is rare, beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It is said to be the color of power, like the one wielded by Darth Maul, Saj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are all just stories of the past. We are here for all of you, our future. Now it is time for all of you to select your own kyber crystal.
Austin.
You all selected your own kyber crystal. Now it is time to join the crystal with the saber design components that you have all selected. We move on to the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control and the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. We move on. Now the gatherers are placing your saber design components on your station. Inside these kits, you will find everything that you need. Inside, you'll find such things as your chassis, your grips, your emitters, your pommel caps, and your activation plates. Remember that building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, you will now construct your own unique lightsaber. The gatherers are here to assist you. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. And now, let's build!
You're gonna pop it in the screen back in the there.
There's lots like 20
Sink to you a little. You'll be able to spin it. Next, you'll see the red and blue square here on your chassis. Come to the very far right side and choose one of your two options for activation plate.
You watch like 20 videos.
If you look on the inside of your activation plate, they have the red and a blue square. You're gonna line up the red with the red and the blue with the blue. So they'll pop right into place there. Go ahead and snap them
Austin.
in. Activate and deactivate your saber. Make sure you're choosing from the same kit. Next, you're going to to choose 2 of your 4 options of grips. Any 2, doesn't matter which combination you choose.
You see?
You're going to choose the wire end that has this little bit of threading there that goes in towards your activation plate. Give a little pressure on your plate to hold them steady. That end, give a little bit of pressure and just enough of a turn to feel it lock into place. As soon as it doesn't want to move anymore, you are set in place. And you'll turn your chassis over. That should be good. Perfect. You'll turn your chassis over and repeat that process with a second grip. Just like that. Okay? That same little bit of pressure just until you feel it lock into place.
Remember to follow your instincts, everyone.
The
Let
next,
destiny guide you.
you're going to choose your emitter that's going to go on the open end of your saber here. The emitter is the one you can
Like this one?
see.
Do you like this one? What do you think of this
Your
one?
blade is going to come through in a minute, so we want to choose the one that's open. Or else you'll poke a hole in your
That one
pommel top,
actually
and no one wants that.
I like them both though.
Your
Also,
final
look up.
choice will be for your pommel cap. That's the base here in section 4. And that's going to go here on the end of your saber.
What do you think of the black one?
Yeah, that's nice.
Black or
Once you are complete with your design, you'll just place it on the hilt holder in front of you. And I'll give it one final
Yeah.
safety
That
check.
one's way better. It's not like. Also, just use this one. Yeah, I like it. You actually get the full, you know.
I don't know if I should. What about this one? I like the
So if
unique.
you need to activate.
No, I like the black.
Feel it.
Okay.
So when we activate,
It's
the
heavy.
down will deactivate, okay? Beautiful. And I'll give these extra straps out of your blade. Very well done. Congratulations.
So you do you like this top piece or the?
I like the black piece. No, I like the black.
The black one's better.
Black.
The one you already have. I like that one.
I can take it for you. Beautiful. So when you go to activate, up will be activate, down will be deactivate, okay?
Documenting an important moment.
I'll go ahead and make the rest of these scraps out of the way. Congratulations.
Number 3, number 4. Oh, I see. You will now continue your journey that you've been on with your hilt. It's another chapter in your life.
Nope.
Take these moments now to connect and to showcase. Also a good moment to showcase. Be proud of your hilts.
Hilt. What's it say hilt?
You're all doing an excellent job.
You want me to take a picture? Yeah.
Gwyneth, great go. Of course. The elemental nature set is beautiful. The Brylark wood is the only kind of wood that can contain the power of the kyber crystal. We don't want to lose any hands here today. We've already lost a few parts of our building. See wonderful balance in this room already. Balance in the galaxy is important. It is our position here to equip you with the tools that you need
Yeah.
to make your mark.
I got perfect balance with my freaking arm
Bring
holding this damn
balance.
camera up.
Whatever path you take is up to you. What we're doing here is history in the making. And now that all of you here have completed your hilts, nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. Yet. Now, builders, please take a giant step back from your station. It is now time to stabilize the crystals for activation. The gatherers here are facing the hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. This part makes me a bit nervous, but as long as the emitter matrices are not inverted, there shouldn't be any explosions. And we will not make that mistake more than a handful of times. Wonderful, no explosions. What's going on?
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. In a moment, the bond between Builder and Saber will be forged. In just a moment, all of you will step forward. You will place your hand on your hilt, and on my mark, we will all activate together. Now, Builder, step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers! You have all built your own lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Builders, deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So as you depart, the gatherers will present to you a saber sheath to protect your lightsabers. Now our time here has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. Remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built here today. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy. Till the Spire!
Till the Spire!
Dude, that was so sick. After we get out.
You just want to walk out with it first, don't you?
Safe travels.